Hi, my name's David Lee Martin. I'm a writer, an online publisher, and a trainer. And I have a real passion to unlock the creativity in people and put the tools in their hand to get their value out to a waiting world. And I'm actually pretty good at what I do. I speak to people every day, teaching them how to produce, how to publish, how to promote, and how to profit from the things that they're passionate about. But where does Scrivener come into all of this? Well, I only teach what I use and what I do myself. I've got over 40 books published on various platforms. I run an online school. I write for 4 or 5 different websites and blogs. And Scrivener has become the hub of all of my content creation. But it wasn't always that way. You know, at one time I was using all sorts of different expensive and complicated programs to try and organize my writing life. You know, I was creating my content, doing my writing in one program, researching in another, and I had a heap of folders and files all over my computer hard drive. And I found in the end that I was spending more time trying to organize all of this workload, and I was trying to work a system that essentially was unworkable. Then I read an article in a magazine about getting things done, and the author of this particular article lavished praise on this program called Scrivener. You know, I'd never heard of it, but the guy was so passionate about how this program had helped him to do his writing and organize his writing, that I went straight out and went online, bought a copy. I mean, at that time it was still in version 1, and eagerly awaited while I opened it up. I took one look, and to my horror, it was so unusual to me. It looked so complicated with so many different buttons and choices and labels that, you know, I'm ashamed to say it, but I just closed it straight back down, and it sat on my hard drive completely unused for probably well over a year. Maybe you're in the same boat. Maybe you've heard about how incredible, how amazing this program Scrivener is, how it can help you with your workflow, how it can revolutionize your creativity and your ability to publish to all of these different platforms, and you just want to find out more. Or maybe you've purchased Scrivener, you've sat down, you've opened it up, and like I was, you've taken one look and you're now scratching your head wondering what to do next. Let me give you your very first Scrivener lesson. Scrivener is not as scary as it looks. You learn just a few simple concepts, a few of the fundamental ways that the program works, and you will be kissing your computer screen. You know, there I was trying to format my books, trying to get everything right to upload to Kindle and to these other places, and having a terrible time at it. And I remembered that I'd read somewhere, or maybe I'd seen that Scrivener had the ability to output directly for these digital platforms. I pulled it out of the archives, upgraded to the latest version, and within a couple of hours, I had my book formatted and ready and uploaded to Amazon. I couldn't believe it. How could something that had been so difficult just a few hours before now be such a breeze? Scrivener. I discovered that I could discard all of that disarray of folders and files and actually keep all my research right there within the Scrivener project, right at my fingertips. And above that, I could export one Scrivener file for Kindle, for the iBook store, for Nook, for Kobo, and a PDF that was ready to upload to CreateSpace and Lulu. Honestly, I was creating separate files for each of these different platforms, wasting so much time and so much thought and energy, and Scrivener does all the heavy lifting for me now. It's incredible. I just know you're going to really enjoy it once you get a hold of just how powerful this program is. In the Learn Scrivener course, I'm going to teach in really easy bite-sized chunks, just a few minutes per video, all of the features that you will need to know to really make your project sing with Scrivener. You'll learn how to create and organize your writing projects, how to use all of the writing tools within Scrivener, distraction-free writing mode, text stats, project stats, collections, how to output your Scrivener file for pretty much any platform that you can think of. I've crammed everything into the course, and I'm still discovering new workflows and new features which will be added for free as we take our journey learning Scrivener together. I'm thoroughly convinced that the training will teach you everything you need to know to get your own projects buzzing and blasted out to the world using this incredible program, Scrivener. If not, you'll be welcome to your money back. Every cent. Let me encourage you, if you're a writer of any kind, a poet, a novelist, a blogger, an educator, whatever you're up to in the world, once you've got a hold of this, once you take a hold of this wonderful program, Scrivener, it will become the very center of your writing universe. It is going to help you. It's going to work with you to get your creative energies and get your creative value out to the world. And I feel so privileged to be able to take that journey with you and help you get there as quickly and as painlessly as possible.